Good day, friends. Wherever you are in the world, I wish you all the best. Today we are going to prepare some stuffed large Portobello mushrooms. I'm going to use 4, and we first get rid of the stems. I'm going to do 2 different methods of stuffing. First, this is the method number 1. So after removing the stems, of course we are not throwing them away, we are going to use them later on. We are going to add some chopped fresh garlic where the stems were. We preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade, and we are going to put the mushrooms in the oven for just about 5 to 10 minutes. When the mushroom are being prepared, we are going to cut the stems into small pieces because we want to use them as a part of the stuffing. I'm going to do the rest off the camera and come back to you when they are done. So all the stems are cut into small pieces. We also need some bell pepper chopped into small pieces, and some parsley, fresh parsley, and also green onion, and mozzarella and cheddar cheese. We are also going to use some dry aromatic herb, salt, and breadcrumbs. Now, after roasting the mushroom stems that we cut into small pieces, we don't want to cook them too much, just enough so that they get soft. We are going to put them in a bowl. Now we are adding the chopped bell peppers. You can use any color you like. Now we add the green onions that we have chopped into smaller pieces. Now we add a tablespoonful of aromatic herb mixture. This is something I prepared myself. It's in the description if you like to know what it consists of. You can use any aromatic herb you like. We add some salt, and also some breadcrumbs. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Now we mix the stuffing together. Now we add some shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese to the mixture. We add some now and we use the rest for topping up. Now the mushrooms are ready, so we are removing them from the oven. As you can see, we have put them in a baking tray on a piece of parchment, and now I'm going to add the stuffing in the mushrooms. The garlic that we added has given it a great aroma. Now we are going to put it in the oven and wait for 10 minutes. Then when that is done, we remove it from the oven and add some shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese mix on top of it. Now, as you can see, the cheese has melted because the mushrooms were hot. Now we are adding some chopped fresh parsley on top of them, and they are ready to be consumed. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.